Hi, and welcome to question 2 of 319, paper 1 of the junior to higher level. So, as usual, if you want the set notes I'm working off, just send me an email at shanetroy@gmail.com. That email address should be in the description below. So, I assume you've had a go at the question. Okay, if not, pause it and come back to me, and we can see how we can help. So, part A here says, write down the 4 factors of 45, not including 1 and 45. So basically all the numbers that can multiply to give 45. So, right, let me just use the rough work here. Now, try 3 into 45, does that work? 3 into 4 goes once, and 15, there's 1 left over, so 3 into 15 goes 5 times. So 15 is a factor. Okay, and 3 is a factor. Now, 3 is a factor, I see 9 is a factor. Okay, 9 fives is 45, and 5 is a factor. Okay, so if you're adding the test them, so 3 15s is 45, 5 9s is 45. So that should be okay, the answer. And I put them in the right order, 3, 5, 9, 15, but it doesn't really matter, although if you can, it's good to have it in that in increasing order. Now, part B there says n is a whole number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Bigger than 1, I suppose plus. So n is a whole number bigger than 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It has just 2 factors, 1 and n. So it must be prime. Pick, this is the question. Pick a tick in the correct box to show what name is given to this type of number. So the prime number can only be divided by 1 and itself. A composite number is every other number, and a square number is things like 2 squared is 4. So 4 is a square number. Okay, and that's part A and B. So part A and B are actually marked together, so you get the 5 marks there. Now part C here, C and D are marked together, it's worth 10 marks. It says P is a whole number. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Apart from 1 and P, the only other factor that P has is 7. Work out the value of P. Okay, so apart from 1 and itself, the only other factor that P has is 7. Okay, so think of 7 times, okay, this is tricky. Now, if I recall, okay, we're looking here at basically if the only factors are 1 itself and 7, what's the only number that can be divided by 1 and 7 and itself? Okay, now 21 can be divided by 7 and 3, so it's not that. Okay, 7 3s, 7 4s, no, 49. Okay, so 49, okay, can be divided by itself, okay, by 1 and by 7. Okay, there are only 3 factors of 49. That might take some time to mess with, yeah, and with the calculator, just kind of play with the number 7. And always work out 7 by 1, 7 by 2, and eventually you'll hopefully get 7 by 7 is 49. And you'll be able to test what that it will work. It might be a smarter way of doing that, but I can't think of it right now anyway. Anyway, part D here says, write down the 4 factors of 12k plus 8. Apart from 1 and 12k plus 8. 2 of the factors should be in terms of k. Okay, so we're basically going to factorize 12k plus 8. Now there's different factors you can take here. Okay, it's not the lowest common multiple we're looking for, but our highest common factor, the way I should say it. So we could go here with 2. If we pull 2 of this, we get 6k plus 8. 4, sorry, 6k plus 4. So one factor there is 2, the other factor there is 6k plus 4. Now we could pull out 4. So we could get 4 times 3k plus 2. So the 2 factors there are 4 and 3k plus 2. There's probably other factors, although 6 would come out here. Okay, so this in my mind seems to be the 4 factors. 2 of them are in terms of k. Okay, now 6k. That's supposed to be a K. So there's two of them are in terms of K. I can't see it wrong. Okay, and that's the answer there. Right, that's it for question 2. So see you on question 3. Thank you.